So the problem statement is to create a Swagger UI to generate interactive API documentation that let user try out the API calls directly in the browser. So here I have given the steps how to create it. I have already created and cloned it, so I'll directly go to the code. So this is the Swagger UI. Let me start the application. So here a controller is there, for which we have given a sample request header payload. In that we have created a nested model as well, which is containing a list of string and boolean. These are the random fields over here. Now request header also have one field, and like two fields I have sample given. This is the request which is coming, and the response payload I have also created with field 1, field 2. uh, Now I go to the Swagger. Here here this annotation is created to have that Swagger UI. So there's some, you can give any name like submit document contract, anything, any name you can give, but that same name you have to give to this interface. um, so this interface should be having the same name. This is at the interface and with the same name. This is the format to give to create a Swagger UI. You can give any summary over here. Then the response is whatever responses you are expecting. Success response 2 not 1, with a small description and whatever content it is. So in the content schema is the success response which we are giving, we can pass that one. Similarly for 401, 403, unauthorized client errors, bad request or internal server error, you can create your own schemas and put it over here, and that same response will be thrown for uh, individual status codes. Okay, now the application is running on 8080. I'll go to the browser. In this documentation I have given the link what you have to hit. So this is localhost 8080, then Swagger UI / index.html. So now you can see the same is being here. So whatever I have given, see submit document I have given in the description, it is coming submit document. It is a post request in the controller. uh, so yeah, it's a post mapping, so it's post, it is coming like this. So all the schemas you can able to see. Success sample response field 1, field 2, then unauthorized ones, whatever I have created in my project. Bad request, this is the one is coming right now. If I go inside this, the parameters, request parameters, if you see here, request parameter header field 1, header field 2, request payload. So all this coming here, header 1, header 2. This is the request payload I have created, so it is coming over here with its data types mentioning. And these are the ones which I have mentioned: cases, success case, unauthorized cases, forbidden cases. So all this is coming 201, 400. Code is status code, one liner description whichever I have given over here. Document created successfully, client credential authentication failure, everything if you see here it is coming, and whatever is expected response is over here. Yeah, and whichever schema, for example, failed authentication sample response is this. So if I go here, that's same schema you can see with its data type. Bad request sample response. So these are the bad request sample response. If I go here, uh, bad request sample response, this is the same thing coming there. Okay, so this is how you can create your Swagger UI. Now if you, there is one more good thing is, there is this link given, v3 API docs. If you click here, this blue small link, this is a code of Swagger code you can get from here. So if you go to the Swagger editor, Swagger IO editor is there. If you go to this editor, you can copy this whole code and go to the editor, select all, delete everything. Now paste that code here. You will ask, because that's a YML, so it will ask, it is a JSON, it will try to convert JSON to YML. You can click on OK. Now you can see all the code is here, very neat, clean, and you can see all the same Swagger UI in a code format over here. Yeah, thank you.